schools, state government schools, EMRS, Navodaya and Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya. So thank you everyone for making this press conference a fruitful and successful discussion, so that we ourselves exchanged our views on NEP, and we also had a discussion on various techniques of way of implementing the NEP better at our school level. So I thank you all the heads of the institutions and our additional DEOs are also for providing the valid inputs and guiding us on how better we can implement this NEP at our school levels. And I thank all the dignitaries from the press, print and digital media also for making their time and then making this conference a successful event.
सर एनईपी के बारे में बोलिए.
NEP, okay, has been implemented in 2020. The main aim or emphasis of NEP is that to make a knowledgeable society or to foster our students for the better generation and also to cope up them to face the global competition. So the learning methodology, teaching methodology has been drastically changed with the implementation of NEP. The fruits of this NEP we will be seeing in the future coming years. So we already started NEP and we have several missions like Nipun mission and the Nipun Bharat mission. We are using FLN, Foundation Literacy and Numeracy, which emphasizes on the basic literacy and numeracy skills among the students of class 1 to 3. And on behalf of KVS Instructions, we are recording the assessments done by the teachers for the students at 3 levels: entry level, mid level and the end level, and all these are being recorded in the online portal. And as part of a NEP, we have several initiatives that have been taken in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, like PM eVidya channel, a digital platform to share the knowledge across the teachers of the country, so that the teachers or subject experts have recorded the digital lessons, and it has been put in a Swayam Prabha channels so that it can be accessible free to every student and then teacher. And NEP focuses on the training of the teachers, where DIETs and DEO officers and Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan or NBS plays a pivotal role in training the teachers so that they can implement the better or transfer of knowledge in the classrooms. And the assessment structure also has been drastically changed after implementation of NEP, where we are not focusing only on the rote learning methods, but where we are assessing the students based on their learning outcomes. So every student is assessed based on their learning outcomes, and the learning is also has been changed with experiential learning and toy-based pedagogy. So different approaches we are implementing in the classroom so that we make a classroom a joyful learning experience. So as part of NEP, so government is focusing on imparting skill education to the students of class 6 to 8 and as well as 9 to 10. In Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, we are implementing artificial intelligence for the students from 6 to 10 as a skill subject, so that we are enabling the students to face the world in the better manner. We all of us know that it is an age of information and technology, so it has a great impact on the students' future and progressive aspects. Apart from that one, so KVS has started Balavatika in 500 schools, which is imparting pre-primary education for the students of age 3+, 4+ and 5+. KVS has aligned its entry age of a students into school to 3+ with the implementation of Balavatika. So we are expecting our Kendriya Vidyalaya Nabarangpur also as selected under Balavatika school in short future. As of now, 500 schools across the India has been selected for Balavatika scheme.
विद्यालय प्रिंसिपाल चेम्बर में आज गोटे कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑर्गेनाइज होता अबाउट नेशनल पॉलिसी ऑन एजुकेशन ये बाबद राज्य सरकार तरफ सब स्कूल रे नेशनल पॉलिसी ऑन एजुकेशन तार इम्प्लीमेंटेशन आम ठीक ठाक भाव में करूँ. जमीक मैं उदाहरण देवी आपको फाउंडेशनल लिटरेसी न्यूमेरेसी ये आमर समग्र नवरंगपुर जिले में जो 10टी ब्लॉक अच्छी 10टा ब्लॉक रे आमर 10टा स्कूल को आम मॉडल स्कूल हिसाब से नहीं प्रथम रू तृतीय श्रेणी में आमर भाषा एवं गणित एमती 34टा बही सब स्कूल को आम प्रोवाइड कर सब स्कूल तार इम्प्लीमेंट हो 10टी विद्यालय आम मॉडल स्कूल हिसाब से जहाँद्वारा कि अन्य टीचर्स मैंने अन्य स्कूल शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री मैंने हेडमास्टर मैंने आसिक देखी पारे बहुत बढ़िया से आम इम्प्लीमेंट करूँ. और जमी आमर ये डिस्कसन आप जानते जो फाउंडेशनल स्टेज प्रिपेरेटरी स्टेज मिडिल स्टेज सेकेंडरी स्टेज एमती यही हिसाब से ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्ट्रक्चर टे चेंज होती से हिसाब से अंगनवाड़ी पिला माने अंगनवाड़ी रे बालबाटिका रे हमरो पढुचंती तापर क्लास 1 टू आसुचंती 3 ରୁ 5 गुटे स्टेज 6 ରୁ 8 गुटे एवं 9 ରୁ 12 एटा सेकंड स्टेज ए हिसाब रे हमरो रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग हेछि नेशनल पॉलिसी इन एजुकेशन रे एवं हमरो सीडब्ल्यूएसएन पिला जो मानकु इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन माध्यम रे सब ब्लॉक रे 10 टी ब्लॉक रिसोर्स पर्सन माने अछंती से माने सब स्कूल को जेते पिला अछंती से स्कूल को जाइकरी विजिट करूछंती एवं तांकर तदारक करूछंती एवं से माने किपरि भाव रे भल रे पढिबे टीचर्स मान को मध्ये ट्रेनिंग मध्ये देउछंती एटा इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन माध्यम रे चलिछि डिजिटल लर्निंग माध्यम रे हमर सब सेकेंडरी स्कूल जेमती अछि सब स्कूल रो टीचर्स मान को हमें कवर कर देइछु एवं से मान को जो बेसिक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कंप्यूटर रहिला जेमती आपनकर वर्ड हला एक्सेल हला ए सब जिंस से माने सिस्टमैटिकली मध्ये हम तांको सिखैछु ट्रेनिंग मध्ये प्रोवाइड कर देइछु आ ए हिसाब रे हमर नवरंगपुर जिल्ला रे हम सक्सेसफुली या को इंप्लीमेंट करछु एवं जो क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग ऊपर हला कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी ऊपर हला टीएलएम ऊपर हला मध्ये एमती सब विषय रे हम कार्यक्रम हाथ को लेइछु एवं बढ़िया से हम इंप्लीमेंट करछु एवं आम आशा करूँ नवरंगपुर गोटे शिक्षा क्षेत्र में आमर राज्य में गोटे अग्रणी भूमिका ग्रहण कर आशा भी अच्छे। थैंक यू।